At Visual Impact, we have one of the major suppliers to the wide format and inkjet industry in general, and that's Fuji Xerox. And I'm here with Paul Budgeon, who's going to talk about not so much products, because as you can see, this one's all hidden in a box. And the message is we're not just box shifters. You know, we have solutions for all kinds of customers. And I know from the Fuji film side of things, thermoforming is a very big feature of the inks, which can stretch up to 1,000%. I know that because I've been to the ink factory. So I'll hand over now to Paul Budgeon, who's going to talk to you about Fuji Xerox's overall solutions, and he might actually mention what's behind the box too. Over to you, Paul.
If we're lucky. Actually, you mentioned the thermoforming. Each show we try and do something a little bit innovative. We try and show some new technology. And this product is groundbreaking in some regards, that we've only really been able, as an industry, to thermoform using analog methods, screen printing, and in particular solvent-based screen printing. But by having the the group power of Fujifilm, Fuji Xerox, we've been able to achieve this, and that's with a digitally printed, UV cured ink. And it's the first time that, as an industry, we've been able to achieve such results. So that's a real step forward for parts of the industry. As for other parts of the industry, what's behind the box? We've taken a slightly different approach to this show, because as suppliers, we can easily get drawn into talking about what's really interesting to us. We turn up at the trade show, we talk about things like, oh, we've got a brand new machine. Look, it might look a little bit like some of the last ones you've seen, but it's a little bit quicker, or it's a little bit wider. But ultimately, that little bit quicker and a little bit wider isn't the thing that's going to make our customers successful, our customers' businesses successful. So if we cover up the box and cover up what we're actually quite comfortable in talking about, it forces us to have conversations that are actually more relevant to our customer base. Things like technical support, things like applications that you might be able to explore, things like finance, and we're quite proud to say Fuji Xerox offers finance to the industry. Not just finance, tailored finance. For instance, if you were to buy your Forever machine, you might use, or you should be using, different finance to somebody that's using the same machine as an interim step. You might be buying this machine with a view to getting a larger machine 2, 3, 4 years down the track. And there's a different optimal financial solution for that type of purchase, as opposed to your Forever machine.